Welcome to UpNote, a digital notebook app designed to be simple and accessible for everyone. I'm Hewie Poplock. UpNote is for people of all ages who want an easy way to stay organized. UpNote lets you keep all your notes, lists, and ideas in one central place. Works across all of your devices, phone, tablet, computer, so your information is always with you. No complicated features or steep learning curve, just straightforward note-taking that works. This guide is beginner-friendly, so we'll walk through everything step by step. UpNote is a digital notebook app, basically a paper notebook, but on your devices. The key benefit is safe storage and accessibility across your phone, tablet, and computer. The three main features are writing notes for thoughts, reminders, and ideas on the go, creating lists, grocery, to-do, packing, etc., all in one place, storing and saving important documents so nothing gets lost. The core value is that everything stays organized, searchable, and accessible wherever you are. Note-taking is digital but personal. Why do people use note apps? Digital notebooks are useful in everyday life. They're practical tools we reach for constantly. Here are 6 use cases. Grocery lists, convenience of building at home and checking off items in real time while shopping. Travel plans, centralized location for all travel details, hotels, flights, packing lists. Medication notes, health information organized and accessible. Dosages and doctor instructions in one place. Recipe, your favorite recipes. No more searching through papers and old notebooks. Recipes are always at your fingertips. Password hints, security tip. Password hints. A security tip, store hints rather than full passwords to avoid lockouts. Reminders, keep track of appointments, meetings, and important dates you can't afford to miss. These examples show the versatility of Note apps. They work for practical daily tasks, health management, travel, and organization. Having this information with you on your phone means it's always with you when you need it. I've been using Evernote since 2008. Evernote was the note-taking app for years, but it's lost its way. The problems that drove people away. Annual subscriptions have now jumped to around $250 a year, a huge jump that shocked users, including me. The interface became cluttered and confusing over time. The app slowed down, especially on older devices. Free tier got gutted, forcing people to pay or leave. This created the perfect opening for alternative. Users started questioning if Evernote was worth the cost. People wanted simplicity back. They were actively searching for something better and cheaper. This dissatisfaction is what opened the door for UpNote to step in as a real alternative. Simpler, more affordable, and focused on what users actually wanted. UpNote's core philosophy is simple, clean, and affordable. No unnecessary complexity or premium pricing. Here's what's different. The uncluttered interface lets users focus on their notes without distractions. Cross-device. It has broad compatibility. Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, iPad, so notes are accessible anywhere. It auto-syncs. The seamless experience of writing on one device and having it instantly available on another. It's a lifetime purchase. It's a value proposition, a one-time payment of $39.99 versus ongoing subscription fees. Its organization enables the speed and efficiency of finding notes through folders and labels. These features combine to make UpNote the practical choice for users who want functionality without complexity or cost. UpNote keeps things simple while giving you everything you need. Here are the 6 main features. Notebooks organizes by category: health, travel, family recipes, and so on. Tags, quickly labeling systems with pound important, pound recipe for fast searching. Text formatting, bold and large or color text to highlight what matters. Adding images, snap photos of receipts, prescriptions, anything, stores right in the note. Checklists, build to-do lists and track progress as you complete items. Pinning notes, keep your most used notes at the top for instant access. These features work together to keep you organized without overwhelming complexity. UpNote keeps your notes organized with 3 simple methods that work together: notebooks, tags, search. All 3 work together. It just works. No manual uploads, no syncing buttons to press. The key requirement is that you sign in with the same account across devices, then syncing is completely automatic. This is about convenience and peace of mind. Your notes are always accessible and always up to date. Here are some practical real-world examples of seniors who are already using UpNote successfully. Medication lists, home maintenance, travel information, club and meeting notes, password hints, favorite recipes. These are just examples. Think of your own needs and how UpNote can help you. Price is a major factor driving people to switch from Evernote to UpNote. UpNote is intentionally simple and focused. That's its strength. But let's be transparent about what it doesn't do. UpNote is intentionally simple and focused. That's its strength. But let's be transparent about what it doesn't do. On the left, what UpNote excels at: the core note-taking experience. It's fast, lets you organize with notebooks and tags. It syncs seamlessly and keeps everything clean and distraction-free. On the right, the features it deliberately leaves out: no email integration. And it says no web clipper. I got this from a list, and there is a web clipper, and I'm using it, and it works well. Not quite as good as the Evernote, but it's a good web clipper. No assistant AI, no collaboration features, no calendar or task management with due dates. For most people doing everything by note-taking, these missing features won't matter at all. UpNote nails the fundamentals, and that's what counts. If you need these advanced features, there are other tools for that. But if you want a note-taking app that does one thing well, UpNote is worth considering. Getting started with UpNote is really straightforward. Just 4 simple steps that take less than 10 minutes. Step 1, download the app. You can store it on your iPhone or iPad, Google Play for Android, or UpNote.me for the desktop. Just search for UpNote and hit download. Step 2, create an account. Open the app, sign up with your email. Choosing a strong password is important. Remember, that's what keeps your notes secure and synced across devices. Step 3, start a notebook. Tap the plus button to create your first notebook. You can name it whatever you want: My Notes, Health Info, or anything that works for you. Step 4, add your first note. Once you're in the notebook, You tap New Note and start typing. It could be a grocery list, a phone number, anything. That's it. You're ready to go. The whole process is designed to be intuitive, so don't worry if you're new to note-taking apps. You'll be up and running in minutes. And I have found the web clipper works really well. When I'm at websites, I just tell it to open it and place it in UpNote. It does very quickly and it's done. UpNote offers a clean, simple, and affordable solution for note-taking that doesn't require technical expertise. The core benefits? Simple. No learning curve. Anyone can start using it immediately. It's affordable, free entry point with a one-time lifetime purchase option, transparent pricing, no hidden costs. It works everywhere. Seamless, sync across all devices automatically. UpNote is the ideal starting point for anyone wanting organization without complexity or expense.